This is the wire coil and liquid nitrogen demonstration. So what we do with this is we show how a wire coil will increase the resistance running through the light bulb. So I have a 6.3 volt bulb. So if I hook it up to power supply and give it 6.3 volts, that's what you should get from the light bulb. However, if you run the bulb through the coiled wire, there's so much resistance, the bulb doesn't light. So if you actually turn up the voltage over 8 volts, you'll start to see it increase. So there's 17 volts running through a 6.3 volt bulb. So if we turn it back down to 6.3, right, and then we lower it into the liquid nitrogen, we'll see that the resistance of the wire will decrease with the lower temperature, causing the bulb to light up. Now you want to be careful when you do drop the coil in there, because of the temperature, it'll start to bubble through the hole. So you want to kind of start to do it gradually, ease it in there. So you can see how it's spraying out when I lower it too quickly. And already we can see the light bulb starting to get brighter. So now we kind of have some equilibrium here between the coil and the liquid nitrogen, so it's not bubbling out as crazy, but if you were to just drop it in there really quickly, it would start spilling out all over the place. So you want to make sure you lower it in there nice and slowly. And you also notice that I had already poured the nitrogen into the can, and so it had calmed down a little bit before I even put in the coil. So that's the wire coil and liquid nitrogen.